Oh my god, West Hollywood is going off.
What happened on
It is like 4 a.m. and listen to the
What
things.
would happen if there was like a whole mess of people on the street right now for the fire
This
alarm?
is Cynthia and Palm.
And instead I ran out and did this.
Damn. Oh my god, that's Lexi. Oh my god. Oh my god, Lexi. Wait, I gotta see it. Lexi! What happened?
Someone pulled the fire alarm.
Someone what?
Someone pulled the fucking fire alarm.
Fuck. Oh, that. Okay. I got it on footage.
That is awesome!
Oh my god, that's
had
what
to.
we need. Stuff like that is what we should put on the show. Like random clips like that, we gotta get on recording our feet running. Oh. Sam. 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 So I yell over to Lexi. I run over to Lexi and I get her on camera and I go, Lexi, what happened? She goes, someone fucking pulled the fire alarm.
Oh god, on camera?
Yeah.